Well, hello there. It's time to have a look through the journal we've been making in this Easy Make series over last couple of months. And yeah, really happy with how it has turned out. So let's just have a quick rough guesstimate. Just under 7 inches by 9, which is about 18 centimeters by 23. Fabric cover, upholstery on the front, and actually Japanese cotton on the inside. And its theme has been all about using up scraps, using up items that we have left over in our craft rooms, putting a mixture of, papers. And so hopefully I've pulled it all together by using butterflies. So you'll find as you go along that because it's such an eclectic mix of everything, because we, in true junk journal style, this is a right junky junk. It's got a right mishmash of styles and papers in it. I have a tie it together through colour, which I tried to do on, on some of the pages. But you'll notice as we go throughout that I've added some butterflies, and hopefully that theme you'll be able to see as we go through. So without further ado, let's have a look. I am going to be putting it in my Ko-fi shop. I've had to close the Etsy. That was hacked into and money was stolen, and it's been a right rigmarole. So at the minute I'm selling stuff through my Ko-fi account. I am putting this up for sale. Before it goes in there's usually a couple of days. So if you like it and you're interested in buying this one, then just message me before it goes in the shop. Okay then, so what have we got? We've got a pocket on the front, double pocket. We've got a lovely big tag out of my stash, a butterfly tag that fits in nicely. Put that in there. We did this, this is one of the altered paper clips that we did together, and thought that went really nicely with that front page. We've just got some notes. I found a note from Catherine. So as you can see, we have got Amazon packaging. This is some of that really cool serrated packaging that comes. Lovely big tag there. Tick it there. There's plenty of space to make this journal your own. There are some pockets and tucks that you put your own things in. Plenty of tabs, and we recently did the butterflies for the edging of the page, so plenty of things to look at on the edge. I've also got a smattering of Edith Holden pages in here, and that sort of helps to bring the vintage coloration through. We've got one of the special pockets we did. I've got some secret journaling under there. There are 2 signatures to this. Little scrappy pad. That's one of the really large butterflies we did in the last video, a couple of videos ago. Another little pocket there to put some little tickets in. I've just got to put some, I'm going to put some charms on these signature strings. I realised when I got it to do this flip through that I haven't put those on yet, but I shall do. one of the pockets we made together. Belly band with some of the snippet roll and some avocado dyed paper there, and a couple of pockets inside. Secret pockets. I like these little secret spots. Little bit of flippy pad there. There are some 1 or 2 vintage pieces of that's that tuck spot edging strip that we did. I've got a little tuck in there. Here we have a belly band, some nice pattern paper in there, can't grab it. There. All recycled bits of jean fabric, most of these black tabs. Still got loads of bits of fluff on it that you get. Another one of the altered paper clips that we did together. This is the one that's got a little flower on it. More of the recycled. That's actually left over from when I did Mrs. Cogg's course with Mrs. Cogg, but actually it's either Mrs. Cogg's paper or Tracy Fox. Another pocket where you can put some little itsy bitsy tickets. So you can see there is such an eclectic mix of papers in here, but there's plenty of places for you to make it your own. Stamping and stenciling. Another one of the large pockets we did. There we go. Just fits on there like that. Middle of the second signature. I've really enjoyed doing these really large tags. I think they've fitted in well. Belly band there, and we've got some wraparound paper. That's just clipped in there. This is from my own stash. This is actually, I've turned stitching cloth into sewn fabric. Tickets. Pocket there. This comes off, and then you have again got some journaling space under there. If I can get paper clip back on. Cute. I love that little boy there. I've got a little bit of a flip there. Pocket. We've got a flip up there, so you can write underneath. Another one of the Nola pockets there with some tickets. Again, I really love how it's turned out. Another one of the big pockets that we did. And there we have it. We have a big pocket on the back. We've got a nice big tag in there. And then in here we've got a pocket with I can't remember which way I had that. Did I have it that way? A lovely little journal card there. So there we go, guys. That is our Easy Makes journal for our series. And this is the last series of 2024. We'll be going into December daily. And I'm really excited. It's going to be lots of fun. So, hope you've enjoyed this series. I've had loads of fun doing it. And yeah, if you are interested in the journal before it goes in the shop, then just send me an email or drop me a line. Okay then, thank you so much for joining me today. Take care out there. Bye for now.